Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make a cold smoke generator, just like this one. So all you're gonna need is a drill or a screwdriver, 2 pair of pliers, this ring from the dollar store. It's a strainer. You see, it costs only $1.50, so it's about $1. A screw and a washer, and obviously some pellet for a normal grill, pellet grill. It's gonna do the job perfectly. Okay, so first we're gonna unwrap this. Then you want to remove this white part. It's not gonna need it. Okay, so now there you go. The thing is gonna do like this. You're gonna make this with the strainer. So in order to stay in place, you're gonna need to bend the handle to be in order to put the screw in the middle with the washer. Okay, so now you're gonna apply here some force to make this thinner. That's it. There you go. Adjust it, then put it like this, and there you are. It's that easy. You need to put this there, screwdriver over there, and that's all. That's it. Easy as this. The idea is to make like a donut. So when you put your pellet on, you take 3/4 like this, and you light this one, so it's a continuous circle. So in my experience, it's take like 3 hours to get the 3/4 of this. So maybe if you like 12 hours, you need 4 times refuel maybe. So yeah, let me show you how we light it. As you can see, it was really easy. So now I'm gonna show you how to light it on the grill. You can light it on the grill, on your smoker. If you don't have grill or smoker, you can even make in a wood box or maybe a cardboard box, but I would put something that doesn't burn under it, so you almost can pretty do anything with this. Okay, so now you place it on the grill next somewhere there, and you're gonna light it over here. I'm gonna use this, my propane tank. Now you're gonna let it burn like for this 2 minutes. So you need to blow air to stop the flame. When it stops, just put your cheese on a cookie rack, and you close the grill, and you leave it as long as you want. Maybe 3 hours, maybe 6 hours, maybe 12 hours. Depends how you like smoke taste. Okay, so keep in mind that it's cold smoking, so you need to stay in the temperature range of maybe 45 Fahrenheit to maybe 85, because we are not cooking it, it's only seasoning it. So By achieving those temps, you need to have a cold temperature outside, like between 32 Fahrenheit and maybe 50 or 60, because this create heat source. And if you're below that, you're gonna need some candle or some light to help keep the temperature, because if it's too cold, the smoke not gonna attach to the meat or the cheese. Okay, so, and obviously it's too hot, like in summer. The only thing I would suggest you is to put the ice bath under the food you're smoking, and check it every time to see if it's always cold, or you need to temperature probe to see if it's really at good temp, because if it's over 85, probably I'm gonna develop some bacteria, so it's not recommended. So as again, you can smoke cheese and salmon, and maybe all you'd like to smoke, like if you like smoke popcorn, you can. So it's limitless in terms of what you can smoke. Okay, so I'm gonna show you now when it's done. Okay, so now our cheese is done. So only thing that you gotta do is take some saran wrap, or if you have a vacuum seal, would be work better. But if you don't have a vacuum seal, just put it in the plastic like this and leave it in the temperature for 4 to 5 days minimum. If you can go longer, you will achieve a greater smoke profile on those. So try it, let me know what you think. It's very good. You might be very surprised about the result. Okay, so see you on the next video.